Happy birthday, Ate Mayet. Si dami naming food. Meron kaming biko. Meron kaming barbecue. Meron kaming lumpia. Ka-cute ng ano nila. Magsuswimming kami. Ayun, nagsuswimming ng mga friend ko. Mga badminton friends. Magsuswimming kami. Nice ang view nila dito, guys. See, look. Ate Mayet, waman ni mo gidala. Ito si Ate Mayet, ang birthday girl. This is the birthday girl. Ate Mayet, waman lagi ni mo